Welcome to Mom Likely. My name's Shawna if this is your first time tuning in. Today I'm going to be tackling my closet. It really needs to be organized and decluttered because it's kind of like just all everywhere, all over the place, and I have too much stuff. So if you're new here, my specialty kind of has been like disaster and extreme cleanings, but in my downtime I try to get my life together and get things organized and cleaned up along the way. And so ever since getting rid of a lot of furniture that I used to have in this dinky room, I have since now not had a place to store my clothes. So that is why I have been living out of laundry baskets and my closet has been a wreck. So today I'm going to go ahead and get that closet in order. Quick tip here, if you have a doorway size closet that you share with your spouse or kids, what we did was we took down the shelf in our closet and we DIY'd and put up a closet rod, so that way I could have a section for mine and he can have a section for his, and that way we just have more closet space. So let me tell you that hoarding clothes is a complete crime and I'm the prime suspect for holding on to all the clothes that I hope to fit one day. I don't know if that's you, but it's definitely me. I have well over 10 pieces that I want to fit back into, and even when I reach my weight loss goal, I'm not even sure entirely if I'm gonna like those items anymore. So I've decided to go ahead, get them out of my closet. I haven't worn them probably for over 6 months, and every time I do, they don't spark joy and make me feel beautiful and make me happy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ditch those off bat. I did just upload a new Mommy Drobe shopping haul video. If you want to see my fall clothing haul, I'll list it right here in the eye in the sky and you can check that out. This jacket is something I've been hanging on to for quite some time and I've been wanting to fit into it, but I've come to the realization that I'm not going to fit into it even when I reach my new weight loss goal. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it, and I'm really sad to see it go.
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed, burning temptation, I just cannot hide it.
Getting rid of all the oddly colored hangers, and I'm going to use all white ones so it just looks a little bit more organized.
Hoping you will figure it all out somehow, it all out somehow. Why I'm back to it whenever you're around, oh when you're around. I don't wanna tell you,
So I have this closet rod organizer. I know they have these on Amazon. They're probably around $10 to $15. If I can find one, I'll link one down in my Amazon store below. But I just had this, and I'm going to use this as temporary like drawer space for myself in the closet, because I only do have one drawer in the dresser because I allow James to use that whole dresser for his stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and go through here and fold up all my everyday like pants and all my workout stuff and pajama wear, and I'm going to place all that stuff inside of the organizer.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart waiting.
Okay, so this is everything I just decided to go ahead and get rid of in its entirety right here. I'm just going to toss this stuff. And I had second thoughts about this, so the majority of this is my summer stuff that I have to store away. And all the stuff that I decided that I'm getting rid of that I don't fit right now, I'm just going to store it away in a bin, because I'm actually going to go through my summer bin, take some stuff out of there, and then put this stuff in there. But it is gone and out of here now. And then I'm getting rid of these couple pairs of shoes. I got some beat up tennis shoes right there, pair of heels I don't really wear. And then up here, well, I still have clothes over there that need to be folded that are the kids, and a couple things of James's. But I got rid of all the colored hangers right here, so it'll just help everything look a lot more organized. And I just kept a few of the black ones just to have on hand for certain stuff, or put them in the hall closet. I will probably keep most of these. I'll just put them downstairs because a lot of stuff does need to be hang dried. So I'm just going to stick these downstairs on the drying rack instead of throwing them away. And then, so here's the closet now. I just organized it a little bit. I put this up like I was saying. And I have like, this is like workout leggings and stuff that I'll use around the house. These are the leggings and stuff that I'll wear like for everyday wear. And then I have like some pajama stuff here, or things I can work out in. And then I still have laundry that needs to be washed, so I do have extra space to put stuff, luckily, because this is where all my clothes are going to be except my socks and underwear, which will be in a drawer in the dresser. So this is all the space that I have for all my clothes right here, so I'm going to make do with this. So I still have to go through and wash my clothes, and I'm going to have to decide on some more stuff, but I'm really glad I got it organized and decluttered, because I was really getting depressed looking at my clothes just all over the place. We're supposed to be buying a new bed, and it was going to have drawers and stuff, but we just haven't got around to doing it. And so instead of doing it, I decided, you know what, I'm going to just do something else. So I had that organizer in another closet. I moved it over here. I'm going to use it as drawers, and I'm just going to hang everything. So alright, so I'm going to go through and start doing some laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll be back with another one for sure, because I need to organize more stuff.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into